Alright, absolutely beautiful day, spring day, early spring day in Montana to ride a motorcycle. Got to get some fuel through this carburetor on this 1964 Honda. It's an original year Honda, 90, first year. It has the two different size sprockets on the back so you can have the high and low range. It's been restored. I would give it like an 83 out of 100. It's really sharp though. Brand new tires, tubes, everything's been polished up. New grips, air filter, sleeve here, all new cables, mirrors, original emblem up front. The other side's got a bunch of parts on it. I can show when I flip it around. But I haven't ran it in a couple weeks. I have fuel stabilizer in it, and I'm going to try and have this be legit, unedited. I'm going to open up the choke here, and I'm going to turn the fuel on, and I bet I can get this in 7 to 8 kicks. That's my guess. There's 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I gotta choke it again. It is 19 degrees outside. Oh, it'll go next time. I'll keep the choke open. I was wrong. I will get it running though. It's really cold. 19 or so. Only about 30 or 40 kicks, but let it idle fast for a while. Pretty clean for a 19-degree day and a very old bike. I'm gonna ride it real quick. One thing with this bike is the foot lever is the opposite of all other motorcycles, so I get really confused. So if I look funny riding it, that's why. Also not because it's so small. here. It's got out of gas in the carburetor. Trying to run all the gas out of the carb. And pretty much did that. Energy into restoring it as best as I could. The person that had it before me rebuilt the motor. He's a retired, no pun intended, post office delivery guy that lives in Post Falls, Idaho, and he loves working on posties, Honda 110s. He had 8 of them in his garage. I bought one off him and he threw this one in there as well. 1964, my friend Mike and I put a bunch of work into this. New front tire, or new tires, the original Shinko Golden Boy tires, new tubes, new gasket. This is fake, so it doesn't look quite right, but you can't get original ones. That is an original emblem from 1964. We added these mirrors on because it just looks really sharp with those mirrors. Redid all the chrome as best as we could. Somebody at some point in time sprayed silver on it to try and clean it up. Got all this as much off as we could. Repainted the motor, added the sleeve there to cover up your wires, new rear brake cable, new screws, OEM Honda screws and gaskets. Redid your sleeve here and your gasket there between your header and your muffler. Polished that up. New decal, new back tire, new light. It is scratched up on top. You're not going to take this on the road. It's not street legal. This is just to be the coolest dude in the campground or whatever that new meme is on the internet. And there is some condensation and moisture down there on the skid plate. That is from running through the snow. New decal on this side. See, it's got the 2 different size sprockets in back, so you have the high and the low range. New engine, air filter, new grips, new speedo cable, new brake cables. It's been a while since I worked on this bike, so I don't remember exactly what was done to it, but fun little bike. It's not going to be the street legal. Perfect for your farm, your ranch. Put in the back of your RV. Take it with you camping when you're in Yosemite or Yellowstone. Run down to the lodge and grab some firewood. But 1964 Honda 90, original year. Beautiful little vehicle.